So what are we going to do today?
Yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
So previously in the video what we did was we learned the days of the week,
Days
right?
of the week.
And,
Yes.
and what else did we learn? Arrange these.
Let me use this.
We have learned how many days there are in a week. Apart from that, out of those days, which days are the weekdays and the weekends. Now, as I have promised, I'll show you the board which will help the kid in understanding and remembering about today, tomorrow, and yesterday.
And these are the weekends and the weekdays.
Yes, this is again a very good cardboard board, and it is laminated. It is very safe. There are no sharp edges, as you can see. So today what I'll be doing is my son has already arranged the days accordingly. Now what I will do is I will jumble all these up. These will not be in sequence anymore. And now what I'll do is I'll just place a day over here, and he is supposed to understand. So which day is this?
It's Saturday.
If yesterday was Saturday, what is today?
It's definitely this.
Very good.
And this.
Very nice. So he has practiced and practiced and practiced for like a week to understand how to finish this off. Now suppose if I say that today is Wednesday. Now finish it off.
I finished it all. I think
Complete the board.
I think yesterday was Tuesday.
Okay.
And tomorrow will be Thursday.
Very nice.
If you also want this, then download it,
Then click on the link.
and click on the link from the Amazon.
This is also available on Amazon, and since it is again from the provider Wink Labs, they have a lot of educational material. I have gone through their website. I'll drop the link under this video
Let's
in the
play.
description box. Now you can play to your content. You can place any particular day over anywhere. Like suppose tomorrow was Friday. What day is today? Good. And what day was yesterday? Nice. Now tell me, if I say that this is Tuesday, now change the board accordingly. So read it.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Very good. So it is a hands-on activity which I know your kids will love, because my kids love it a lot. And I know that in the coming years, because he is just 5, in the coming years it will help him a lot. So let's see how far we can make the kids understand. There are a lot of concepts that can be built using the same board. I'll let you guys know in my coming videos what all you can teach using the yesterday and today and tomorrow concept, that is the YTT concept, on the whiteboard as well. So stay tuned. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Let's enjoy it.
Say bye.
Bye bye.